folks, it's Dane here at JONAH Guitars. It's Friday the 21st of July. I'm doing the contest results one day early because my MacBook Pro is having some issues, and I want to make sure, well, I'm taking it down into the shop today in Reading. And so just want to do this while I have a computer to do it on. So yeah, that's it. So what I've done here is I've emptied my jar out of all the junk that was in it. So I had 8, okay, count them, 8 people ask for a bender. They didn't specify which bender. Most of them said, yeah, I could use a bender. The people that responded to that, a lot of you guys just said, that's a great thing to do. Thanks, that's generous. I didn't interpret that as a request. So I only listed the people that said, yeah, I could use that. I would like that. I've got this going on. I could really use a bender. So there's only 8 of you. Now, the first draw is going to be for the wooden homemade bender. Okay. Or maybe that should be the second place. Yeah, let's do the first draw as the main event, right? Well, you would do that backwards anyway. We're going back. The first draw is going to be the wood one. And I've got, just basically I wrote 1 through 8 on these little pieces of paper, folded them up. I can't see. I don't have Vanna here today, so I don't have anybody to pull the thing out of the thing but me. I made a list of all the people that asked. Okay. And so I'm just going to pull one out, and that number corresponds to a name on the list. I said before that I was just going to choose, but I just decided that's really difficult for me to just say, yeah, you know, this guy seems like the better candidate. I've got people that are professionals on the list. I got people that are just starting out, and I really didn't want to have to make that decision. So I'm just random chance now. Sorry if that voids the contest rules, then and you win, just don't get in touch with me. All right, so here's the first one. This is for the wooden one, and that is number 2. And on number 2, now listen up. I'll repeat this again though. The YouTube name is Jim Hensley. Okay, so Jim Hensley, you won the wooden one. I don't want to stop the tape here because I don't want anybody thinking I'm doing anything weird editing. It's right here. Okay, and I called it tape, and we know it's not tape, but just, you know, bear with me. So Jim Hensley, you received this bender right here, okay? And as soon as you email me, I will get it sent out to you, probably on Monday. And so that's number 2, Mr. Jim. And now let's go again here. So if this is what I would consider the main event. Did I already talk about odds? I have no idea. The odds were 8 to 1, I guess, which is pretty good odds, you know, out of 8 people. So now there's 7 to 1 as to who will get this guy. And let's just pull another. Let's just drop a few times here. Let's grab that one. Now I can't see anything on here, so this is not a setup. You just have to take my word. So number 7, who was number 7? A fellow that goes by the name, or lady, that goes by the name of Dash Drum. So Dash Drum, you got that one. Let me do this real quick. Well, nothing happens real quick. I'm in my shop and my Wi-Fi doesn't really go real fast in my Wi-Fi. Stop it. There we go. Some kind of bug. Your channel, videos, and then let's go to the comments here.
How many can I use?
We'll stop him. That guy just mumbles. Okay. So I'm just going to go down to the guys that won Jim Hensley. Wow, that's awesome. I would love one of those. I have been bending frets by hand for a while, and one of those would sure save time. So, Jim, you're going to save some time with that bender. I guarantee it. And then Dash Drum was the other guy or gal. Dash Drum, hey, thanks for making this offer. Please include me in the drawing. So, both of you guys, Jim and Dash, if you go to the About portion of my YouTube page, that will, you will be able to find my, I'm just scrolling through here. On my phone, it looks like that. So if you go to About, that will give you an opportunity to, oh, look at that. It's actually just listed right there. On my computer, you have to prove you're not a robot. But so it's right there on the About portion of the YouTube page. So once again, congrats, Jim Hensley, and congrats, Dash Drum. And as soon as I have your addresses, I'll package this stuff up. I still work full time, so I'll make a run over to the post office, at my lunch break or something on Monday and get these things off to you. All right. Thank you all for inquiring and for the nice comments, and appreciate y'all. Got to go get my get this video uploaded and take my computer to ready and get it fixed. All right, guys. Thanks, everybody. Congrats to the winners. Take care.